Students, you are most welcome to the Value Education class. Here we are reading that chapter 5, that is Be Safe Online. So in that part we have read, in first part we have read that internet. So internet is the global system of interconnected computer networks that uses the internet protocol to communicate between networks and devices. Okay, it works through devices only. uh, there are many things. We use several internet based applications like WhatsApp, Facebook, Twitter, Snapchat and Instagram, etc. With many other online happening. There are some crimes also, and they are very dangerous for us. So cyber criminals are there, fraudsters are there, cyber bullies and trolls. So that we stay safe online, we should know that how to be aware of these things, isn't it? There are some malwares also, like virus, trojans, ransomware, that if it comes to our system, then it damages the computers or laptops or phones, etc. There are hackers also. Hackers hacks your account and do some illegal things. They takes your personal informations and they does all these things. Okay. So young people who form a large chunk of online users are at risks from cyber bullies. Bullies means cyber harassment. That means someone will harass you in your account by telling something, by irritating you, exposure to inappropriate material, and they will maybe they will threat you that I will expose you in bad materials. So we should not post all those things. And online criminals who manage to obtain the misuse personal information, so they will they will misuse your personal information and they will do something wrong. Cyberbullying or bullying that takes place online is becoming rampant on the internet. It is becoming very quick, very in mass way. That means many cyberbullyings are going on. So in trolling, that is posting of a hateful and disparaging comments in online. So in Facebook, Twitter, chat rooms or blogs, they will just give you some bad comments so that you will be depressed, or you also do all these things. That doesn't mean unknowingly you are just teasing your friend, you are doing something. That is also bullying, that is also cyberbullying, and that is also bad. Okay, so be aware, because if you are doing all these things, then you are a cyber criminal. And if anyone else is doing with you, that is also bad, because you can feel depressed, you can feel that something wrong. So you should not do all these things. Choose strong passwords for your online account so that no one can access and misuse them. A strong password is alphanumeric with a mix of capital and small letter and characters like hashtag, at the rate of, etc. So Chennai hashtag 10 is stronger than Chennai. Especially if you live in Chennai, keep changing your password from time to time and do not use it across a variety of accounts. So if you are changing your if you live in Chennai, so you should not give Chennai, or if you are giving Chennai, then you have to change it. Okay, do not allow download content, games, songs, movies, etc. from a website unless you know that the site is safe. So you should not download any games, songs and movies before confirming that the site is safe or not. If it is safe, then you can download it. The downloaded file may come with a virus. So if suddenly if you are downloading anything, then virus can come to your mobile or in your system. Do not open emails from unknown sources. Unwanted emails, known as spam, are mostly advertisements, but they could also be meant of phishing or spreading malware. That means they can also spread malwares. Do not open a social media account without the knowledge of your parents. If you Whenever you want to open any internet, any account in media, so you must say your parents and then you must open it. Think carefully before posting anything on social media, especially your pictures or videos. Once uploaded, many people can see and download them. Even if you delete your post, it could be going around as forwards. Also, never give out personal details like your age, address, email address, and phone number to anyone online without checking with your parents. So, all these things you shouldn't give without your parents. If your parents know, then only you should give. Otherwise, don't give. And don't give to the any unknown person. If anyone is asking, don't give it. Do not trust a new person you meet online, even if it is a friend's friend or follower's follower. Make it a rule not to chat with or accept friend requests from people you do not know. So this one is also very important. You should not accept friend request from the person you don't know. Okay. Avoid meeting someone you befriended online. Even if you believe you are friends, you may be shocked to know how criminals change identity. Manisha, who you believe in is a physics heard from your school, may in fact be 59 years old Manas, who indulges in crimes against children. See, because we cannot believe anyone in this system. Okay, do not take up any challenge or dare. You need not prove your bravery to anyone online. So if anyone is giving challenges to you, don't accept that. Never post rude or offensive messages or content that insults a particular gender, community, or group. Respect other people's views. Even if you don't agree with them, do not get into a slanging fight online with bullies or trolls. So, we should not post offensive things. That means that is not good for society. We should not post all those things. Respect other people's. We should respect other people's views. Even if you don't agree with them, if we are not agree with them also, then also we should respect them, because their point of view is different from one person to another. Do not get into a slanging fight. That means don't give slangs in online. If you come across something online, that makes you feel uncomfortable or unsafe, or if you feel that you have made a mistake, confide to your parents immediately. Say all this to your parents immediately. So this is the second part of Be Safe Online. We will read the third part next day, and I will give you the question answers also over there. Okay. So till the next class, goodbye. Have a nice time.